Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the stunning 2025 Mercedes AMG, a car that flawlessly blends luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. This latest AMG model represents the pinnacle of German engineering and delivers a driving experience that's thrilling, elegant, and unmistakably AMG. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mercedes AMG demands attention on the road with its bold, aggressive styling. The front grille features the signature AMG Panamericana design, flanked by sleek, high-performance LED headlights that not only look futuristic but also provide unmatched visibility. The body has been aerodynamically sculpted, with sharp lines, sporty curves, and an extended rear diffuser that improves stability at high speeds. The large AMG alloy wheels, low-profile tires, and wider stance give it a muscular yet refined presence. Whether parked or in motion, this car screams performance. Moving to the interior, the cabin is a perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by premium Nappa leather seats with contrast stitching, carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. The cockpit is designed for the driver, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an advanced MBUX infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen. Voice control, gesture input, and haptic feedback are all part of the intuitive system. Every element, from the steering wheel to the metallic accents, is crafted with precision and passion, making you feel like you're in a race car, but with first-class comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes AMG doesn't disappoint. Depending on the variant, you can expect a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine or a powerful inline-6 hybrid setup, both delivering mind-blowing horsepower and torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h happens in just a few seconds, and the AMG-tuned suspension ensures sharp handling and an engaging drive. Multiple drive modes allow you to tailor the experience, from a relaxed cruise to an aggressive track setup. The exhaust note alone is enough to give any car enthusiast goosebumps. As for pricing, the 2025 Mercedes AMG starts around $100,000, depending on the model and optional features. While it's a premium price, it's justified by the performance, innovation, and luxury this machine offers. With options to customize nearly every detail, buyers can create a truly unique AMG experience. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Mercedes AMG. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.